today we're going to be cooking focaccia bread, which I'm learning from the Italian grandma on YouTube. Making focaccia, here we go.
Hello my friend.
Hello.
I'm Gina. I have a flour, I got water.
I do too.
I have yeasty.
Yeasty, I got that too.
Oil,
Yep.
and salt. And this go all in the dough. And I have a potato. I just put in the water.
Oh, I didn't do potatoes. Maybe we'll just skip it and see how it goes. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
All right, now I start with the flour.
Okay, let's start with the flour.
In the flour, I put the salt first.
Okay.
You can put the salt first, like this.
So let's go. Okay, we've got, she wanted some flour. She does 6 cups, but that sounds like a lot to me. So we're going to start with 3 cups and see how that goes. And if it works, then we can always do it again. So 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3. And then she said the salt, which was like a cup and we'll just do 1 tablespoon of salt. Do it the old-fashioned way. You don't bring everything away when you go camping, so I've just got to see let's just chuck that in there, see if that works. It's going everywhere. Anyway. Oh man, this is taking forever.
Okay, got that going. Definitely recording. That'd be awkward if it wasn't recording. Anyway.
I feel like I've got more salt outside of the flour. Anyway. Perfection. That's what we've got right there. All right, what's next, Nana? Nonna? I used to call my Italian Nana a Nana, but I think it's supposed to be Nonna, but each to their own.
Okay. And you mix the salt.
Mix the salt. Mix.
The salt, like this. You make a little oil.
Make a little
Make
oil.
the oil, like this.
Make a little hole.
And you put the potato.
Ooh. And we put the
Potato
nothing.
here.
Nothing in the middle.
This is the potato. Now in the potato I put a little water. The water's supposed to be warm, not
How much water?
Just the temperature, look nice.
Oh, this is it. Yeah. Okay.
Supposed to be warm, not hot.
Not hot.
You
Yeah,
put a little
got it.
water.
Just a little bit. Let's start, because we're doing 1.5. Let's start with half. Half a cup of water. Yeah. Okie doke. Now what should you do?
You mix a little bit like this.
Yep. Oh, can you hear that?
You make the oil.
Oh, the oil in.
The oil.
3 tablespoons, we're halving that. Ooh, oil. What's next, Nonna?
And you put the yeast. The yeast is the last one.
Yeast.
You put the yeast and you mix and
Ah,
mix
ah.
and
Okay, yeast. We're just going to do 1 teaspoon. In it goes. Oh gosh, that all stuck. Oh, that's all stuck in there. My little Tommy Tam. My little Tommy too. Okay, what's next, Nana? She looks like she's got a lot more water than me. Oh.
Alright.
Okay, mix, mix, mix. Looks like we mix, mix, mix. Okay, let's add a little bit more. Another half a cup of tepid. What? I've always thought it was tepid with like an M, but it's not, I don't think. Let me know. I thought it was tempered as in temperature. Silly me. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. What else, Nana? Let's keep going. Okay, she's still mixing. Guess it's kind of looking like a dough, but more water. Okay, okay, Nana. Oh, let's go. Man, have you been gaming recently, Nana? Let's go. Yeah, more. How much did I put in? I have no idea. I think it's been 1.5 maybe. Oh, she keeps adding water. How much more? I put all my water in. Is this in?
I use my hands, okay?
Okay. Oh, it's sticky. More water. Ah. Oh, it's supposed to be like that. Okay. Okay, Nana. If you say so. Oh! Okay, that's as good as we're going to get for now. Okay, so she put a plastic on. Maybe you're supposed to squish it. Okay. Pause. We're pausing to let things do their thing. See you later.
One eternity later.
Okay, we're back. I think we're back. That was a long wait. It's only half an hour, but I'm impatient, so here we go.
Now, about 45 minutes.
Ooh,
they-
I did not
they
wait
race
45.
This, eh? That's a 45 minutes. They come like this.
This is what
They
mine
make
looks
a
like.
dough. They make a dough. Wait, the plastic off like this. Yeah, the dough.
Okay, it's a bit stringy. Okay. Whoa, what's that? A non-mixed bit, obviously.
Yeah, nice. Nice.
How nice? I don't know. So, dough. Beep, 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 beep. Now onto the trays. Let's see if we can do this with the wind. The sun keeps popping out and ooh, that was a lot of oil. Let's just jig that around. Okay, so oil up the tray.
You gotta
Oh, she uses her fingers. And then, okay, let's just put, oh, blob of oil. Oh well.
like this. Run like here.
Let's try and split that in half. I wonder. Cut, in, half. Okay.
Now we gotta rest a little bit.
It's got to rest. Okay. Okay.
Say 20 minutes, maybe.
I need a rest after this. Ooh. Okay. And I'm going to put my baking paper over the top like that. Put my this, and we're going to let it rest.
A few minutes later.
I got impatient. So she said 20 minutes at least. I did about 10. All right. Ooh.
Stay here. Put the oil on my finger because the dough stick on my finger. You gotta go like this. You gotta touch the In the bottom. You got to touch in the bottom.
Touch in the bottom.
You got to touch in the bottom.
I feel like she says it too many times.
Got to touch the bottom.
Touch the bottom. All right, let's poke the dough. Get some of the oil. Let's get some of this oil and just go poke the dough. Poke the dough. Get right to the bottom. Right to the bottom. I think I poked it too much. And then she's just going to put all her stuff on it. Okay. Let's get our sun-dried tomatoes in there. Let's do it. Beep, 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 beep. Now I think, oh, they probably should have been chopped. And here's the lazy brie coming in. Oh, I've got to punch it down. Oh gosh, there goes the oil again. Gosh, I might as well fry these. There's so much, I've just put so much oil on them. Sorry everybody. Got to poke them down, she said.
Because you know you had the lid on that.
Yeah.
George, come and get your swimmers, mate.
The trust level is low. I'm going to put some more salt on that one because.
Well, no, Shecky can't come swimming, mate.
You can put a little
Because.
salt on the top.
Okay, and then we put it in the oven. So once I figured out how to bake inside of Ziggy using our makeshift trays, I was able to put the focaccia in the Ziggy, and I also wanted to test some of it inside of the 12-volt oven that we have in our canopy. Ziggy seemed to work well, didn't burn the bottom, which was really good, but I found it really hard to cook in the 12-volt oven. It was just very slow. It took over 2 hours. So, but we got our bread and it was delicious, and I hope you liked it. So see you next time, maybe. If you enjoyed it, let me know. Thanks, bye. I'm gonna get that out. And this is why people don't cook while they're camping, because the wind. The wind. Holy dooly.